Let's go. It's your boy Marketing with Dom. Welcome back to my channel. I actually had to shoot a new welcome video because my life has drastically changed, right? And since that has drastically changed, I want to be teaching a lot more on this platform about how to make money online, period. Listen, how to make money online, period. But mostly everything that I'm doing with artificial intelligence and the SaaS kind of business, learning how to find your niche and be able to make your own $100,000, $300,000 a year online, actually providing a service. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And like all the products and services that I use as well, to make everything that I use better, bigger, stronger, faster. You already know. So this video is to tell you, if you're on my page, you already know you're part of the gang. You know, it's Marketing with Dom. It's get money every day. And I'm going to be able to teach a lot of things absolutely free across this platform, right? Absolutely free. I partner with people up in different spaces, and I want to teach you how to use different AIs to be able to do that. So listen, don't miss out. Let's go. Subscribe to the channel.